I'm Daria McKelvey, and I am the supervisor for the William T. Kemper Home Gardening Center. The William T. Kemper Center was founded in 1991, and it serves as an information hub to the greater St. Louis area and, of course, all across the world. It's part of the garden's mission to learn and share information about plants, and I think this is one place that we're able to do that really easily. Visitors can just come in and inquire about almost anything, pest and disease diagnosis to plant identification or recommendation of plants for their yard. One of the cool things that we've done recently is we've combined our former reception desk and plant doctor desk into one center engagement desk. It has actually allowed us to be more visible to the public. We can engage visitors a lot better. There's a lot more room, definitely, for us to talk to people. So that's one of the benefits of the new desk, and we really enjoy it. We answer over 25,000 questions. That includes email, phone calls, and in-person drop-ins. And then we have over 2 million people visiting our gardening help page. So we have a very, very wide reach, and people are really using our resources. People should make the Kemper Center a part of their visit because we are a really unique entity to have a home gardening center, where people can come and learn about plants. And then also because we also have 23 demonstration gardens outside where people can walk and just really see how plants do in the St. Louis area, and maybe get some inspiration for their yard. You don't find that in most gardens.